Hey, welcome. My name is Hakeem. I thank you for being here. I'm not going to take up much of your time, but I did want to share some information because I know you're interested in working from home, right? This is very important. So, like I said, I'm not going to take up much of your time, but you might want to take some notes on what I'm about to show you, all right? I am a partner here at Nove. I partnered with Nove some time ago. I'm going to really just breeze through this. If you have any questions, feel free to always reach out. So, who is Nove, right? I'm going to show you who's Nove. Nove means new beginnings. We are a fintech company. We are actually called the Money and Credit Company or the Credit and Money Company. Everything that falls under the credit and the money umbrella, that's what we handle, right? Nove in the news. Let me show you some of our credibility so that you know that we are not a fly by night company, that we have been here for a while doing amazing things. So if you see Discover How We're Transforming Lives one headline at a time, you see Forbes, right? You see the Inc. 5,000 fastest growing companies in America. We have hit that 4 years in a row, working on the fifth. Shouts out to that, right? Forbes articles, you see right here, right? The Nove COO, Sinead McCambry, releases her empowerment book. She's a COO of Nove. We are also in the direct selling association. You see Black Enterprise saluting us, Atlanta Tech News saluting us, right? We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We also are on Yahoo Finance, right? So on and so forth. So a lot of accolades as far as who we are. All right. Now let me show you who is really leading this company from the forefront, right? On the front lines every single day, all day. It's not just me. I'm a part of the movement, but the movement is big, all right? So our corporate team, we have our fearless leader right here, Mr. Rico McDaniel McCambry, okay? This man right here has done so much and has helped so many people. It is amazing. It is amazing. It's truly amazing. It's truly an honor to be connected with someone of this magnitude. Like, you really have no idea what kind of person this is until you get around this type of great person, this type of energy, this type of love for your own community that this guy has. Check out some of his accolades right here, right? Entrepreneur since 20 years old. Started producing millions by the age of 25, right? Started, built, and run 4 multi-million-dollar companies. He's been voted the top 10% of direct selling CEOs out of more than 550 CEOs. Also, he's a Forbes Business Council member, also a Forbes.com industry expert, right? So you see the Forbes articles, you will also see his name. He has been teaching and taught a lot of people a lot of great things over the years, right? And also always contributing every single day for us being better, especially the underserved communities, all right? On top of more, man, look, selected the #1 business honor society in the world, inducted into the 2021 Marquee Who's Who, 2022 Bank Customer Experience Innovator of the Year Award, and so many more accolades. I'm not going to read them all off, but this is our fearless CEO, Mr. McCambry. Mr. Haziq Ali, our CMO, our Chief Marketing Officer. This guy is intelligent. This guy trains. This guy shows up every single day. And Mrs. Sinead McCambry, our amazing COO as well, right? So we have amazing leadership directly out of Atlanta, Georgia, right? That's why our company is based out of. All right, so let me get into the nuts and bolts of what we actually working with, because like I said, I'm not going to hold you for a long time, but I did want to drop these gems on you, all right? So let me go ahead and get myself out the way so that way I can show you more of what's going on. So you see my website right here, Nove since 2014. Like I said, we celebrating 10 years in business, right? Come February in Atlanta, we're going to have a big get-together. It's going to be amazing. I cannot wait. But until then, let me show you what we do. The Credit and Money Company. So every new affiliate with Nove, like myself and like many others around the country, you will have your own website like this. It will be live as soon as you decide, hey, I want to get started with Nove. And you take that step, you have a live website just like this that you can start operating on ASAP and start conducting business and start tracking your business and getting paid. All right. We are fintech, financial technology, which means we are helping people with resources, financial resources, credit resources, all kinds of resources that they may need. And this is for people all across the United States of America, right? You see, we got consumer, small business, entrepreneurship. So let me go through some of the consumer so that way you can get an understanding of how big this is, right? How big of a menu that we have to offer, and so many people that you can actually help every single day, just working from home or working from wherever you want to be at. Beautiful thing about this, all you need is internet. You make your own schedule. You do this at your own pace. And guess what? You can write your own paycheck on your own schedule. So on the consumer side of things, we have debt help programs, right? On average, we're helping people save up to 50% of what they're already paying on debt. So that means like credit cards, personal loans, medical bill, all kinds of personal debt. We have a program to help people get out of debt a lot faster and save so much money, up to at least 50% on average. Each customer is seeing, right? Credit cards. I mean, we can help people get secured credit cards, unsecured credit cards, right? So that way, if people try to build credit, if people need credit, they need access to capital, we have credit cards that they can actually tap into. Personal loans. This personal loan program is so amazing because there's no hard pull on your credit. You can do a free pre-approval anytime, right? And it's a soft pull, so I mean it doesn't hurt your credit to see if you approve. Let's say, hey, right now my car might break down. I might need a couple $100, $1,000. I can always go to my website. You can always come to my website and see if you're pre-approved for $1,000, $1,200, and it doesn't hurt your credit, right? You will see the top 3 offers available to you from our amazing lenders that we work with, and that way you get to pick which deal is best for you. All right. So personal loans, we have life insurance that people can get. Man, a lot of people don't have life insurance. It's a lot of people dying, and it's fish fries going on and GoFundMe's going on. We have life insurance that people can tap into. We have amazing partners, right? Come on here and get a free quote. If you like the quote, get you life insurance, right? And so that we have this to help people in our communities and around our neighborhoods, right? Tax prep, business and personal tax prep. We have some of the best tax professionals that you can ever find, right? Free consultation. So that way you can do a free consultation, get a free estimate. Somebody right now could come on your website once you get started and do a free consultation. If they like what they hear, they can move forward. And guess what? You don't have to do their taxes personally, but you can get compensated for bringing that tax client to Nove. All right. Savings accounts. We have high yield savings accounts. Some of these savings accounts will pay you up to 5%. Right, up to 5% or close to it. Right, it changes as interest rates fluctuate. But let me show you how this looks, right? When somebody comes on our website, they can come right here and say, hey, I want a savings account. This can change, right? Zip code can change, but it tells you right here. Look at this, 4%, no monthly fee, right? 4.75%, no monthly fee, right? 4.8%, no month. So somebody could come on our website at any time, get a high yield savings account. This is a savings account that's going to actually pay you money to have money sitting in that account. You can move it anytime. It's a savings account. It is FDIC insured also. So that means you don't have to worry about your money just disappearing. It is guaranteed. It is insured. You are great. All right. So savings account, will estate plans, trust estate plans. We do wills and trust. We have so many parents, so many business owners, so many entrepreneurs. It's just so many people who don't have their documents in order. You have a medical emergency. You have kids that if something happens to you, you want somebody else to make sure that they're taken care of. You got a business you want to leave behind. You need a trust or will to make sure that is taken care of. A trust will help you bypass probate, right? But at least put you a will in plan if you don't have anything else. So we have the ability to offer wills and trusts to people in our communities, to anybody across the country. Auto loan refinance. I know people personally that's paying $500-$600 a month for a regular car. I tell them get an auto loan refinance. Get your credit in order. Do an auto loan refi. Why? Because it helped me save over $200 a month some years ago on a car that I had, and I went down to a 2.99% interest rate from an 18% interest rate. We offer auto loan refinances, man. We can help save people. We can help people save money. We can help people get out of debt. Okay, check this out. Student loan refinance. I mean, we all know tons of people with student loans. We don't even have to get into the student loan world. It gets nasty, right? But we have that to offer as well. This is brand new, no interest payday loans. Because now, instead of somebody having to worry about, dang, I might get a personal loan, but I don't really want to pay back the interest to get more debt. Now you can get a payday loan with no interest attached. How big is that? Now we are helping, especially now because it's close to the holidays. I can help people get payday loans. I can help people tap into lines of credit. I can help people get out of debt all off of one website, right? Like I said, I don't have to personally do any of the paperwork, and neither will you, because our corporate office handles all the paperwork. All you have to do is send someone the link or tell them how this works. They decide to get started, and you will get paid, okay? My Nove credit monitoring, so people can actually monitor their credit reports, see everything, see all what's reporting. That's super important. And then My Nove disputes manager. This right here is so powerful. You will never have to pay a credit repair company again. My Nove disputes manager, right, is a DIY credit repair software that amazingly will analyze all your credit reports, find every single error that's on there because it's powered by AI, and it will draft your dispute letters for you, and all you got to do is sign the letters and send them out. This right here is a game changer for credit repair. So now our clients are getting their credit fixed. They are getting access to capital. They're getting access to business credit. They're getting access to a lot of things, home ownership, a lot of things they couldn't get because their credit was just jacked up and they didn't know what to do. So on the consumer side of things, like I said, if you want to work from home, everything that I just went through are ways that you can help people from home, and you could get compensated for every single service I just showed you. Plus, there's more that's not even on this tab. But let's go to the small business side of things so I can show you what else is possible. All right. So we do have business credit. Now, I personally know a lot of entrepreneurs and small business owners, and there's a lot of other people that do too. We have a business credit builder program. This program right here is so amazing. It will help you build your business credit from zero and guarantee you a minimum $50,000 in business funding for your business. So all the entrepreneurs and small business owners and realtors and real estate professionals and so on and so forth, most of them don't have access to actual business credit. They swipe on personal credit cards. Well, you as an Nove affiliate, you could come in and say, hey, let me help you build your business credit. I have the tools. I have the resources to do so. I can help you get a minimum $50K in business funding for your business. And that way, moving forward, whenever you want to get money for your business, you don't even have to worry about doing it under your social security number. You can do it directly under your business because you have an established business credit profile now, right? So you can actually offer this by being with Nove. You can offer this to entrepreneurs and small business owners nationwide and help them build their business credit. Tell them that we have a $50,000 minimum guarantee, right, that they can tap into. All right. Look at that. We will continue to develop your profile until you are approved for business funding of at least $50,000. All right, so we have that to offer. On top of that, business funding, we have a lot of different business funding programs. All you have to do is share the information, get your client or your potential client to fill out the application. If they are approved through Nove or through one of our lenders, if they are approved, guess what? You will get compensated for these loans. And we have a lot of different business funding loans available. All right. And so, like I said, this is your website. So trademarks, I mean, we got tons of businesses that need trademarks, that haven't got their business or their logo trademarked. Somebody can actually come and steal a lot of business, especially local or small businesses that don't have trademarks and things in order. Somebody could come in and do business under your business name, under your logo, and you don't have it protected, right? So now we have the ability to offer trademarks to these companies so that way they can protect their brand and their business, protect their revenue, all right? Consumer financing. This is for business owners who have high ticket items or high ticket services, right? Buy now, pay later options. We actually have the ability to offer these business owners a solution so that way they don't have to wait for their money. We have a buy now, pay later solution that they can introduce to their customers, and they can get their customers financed. For instance, for a roof, let's say a $15,000 roof. Average homeowner doesn't have 15 grand. Well, guess what? If that roofer has this consumer financing set up and they are able to get that customer approved, that customer could go ahead and get that $15,000. That roofer could go ahead and get paid, and they go ahead and get that roof done, and then the customer is going to be paying back minimum monthly fees to the lending company. And guess what? You were able to do all of that because we have consumer financing. You actually were able to help the business owner and the consumer because you have the tools and resources needed for the roofing company. All right. Shout out to consumer financing. Business debt help. We have ways and resources to help businesses who have massive amounts of debt as well. There's another way that you can increase your income, right? Is by helping businesses get out of debt. File your BOI report. The BOI report is something that people have to file now when they start a new business. If you start a new LLC, anybody start a new LLC, they have to do a BOI report. Well, guess what? We partner with a company who will complete the BOI report for them. That way they don't have to take time doing it themselves, and you can actually get compensated for that. We have grants and government loans. We have a SETC tax credit that we're offering as well. Free business registration, meaning you can get your LLC set up for free. We're helping new business owners get set up for free. Set your LLC up for free. And when I say free, it means this. You only pay the state filing fee. There's no setup fees or anything else. But by helping a new business owner get their LLC set up for free, you will still be compensated, right? All right, so from there, we also have more business essential services. We help with business license and permits and the vacation incentive programs. Okay, everything that I just mentioned, you can get compensated on by working from home around your own schedule, right? So it's totally up to you. Like I said, everybody's gonna have a website. You see how our website is set up. It has all our accolades on it. We are actually backed by Damon John from Shark Tank. And also, some of us, if you're around my age, you remember Fubu, right? He was the CEO of Fubu. So we are backed by Damon John as well, Master P and some others. But look at all the resources that we have, right? Credit building for consumers and for businesses, access to capital, personal loans, and business funding. All right. Debt help for consumers and businesses, entrepreneurship, right? So we have a lot of different things that people need. We have a lot of different things that people want. We have all the services that people need to get them in a better financial position. It's just that a lot of people don't know that we're still here. So instead, and this is one of the great things about this company, I want you to realize, you have companies like, you got a lot of companies that run a lot of ads on TV, a lot of radio. They spend millions and millions and millions of dollars in marketing, right? To market on TV, to market on the radio. But the great thing about Nove is, instead of Nove putting all those millions and millions of dollars on TV advertisement or radio advertisement, they take that money and they pay us to bring the clients to Nove. That's why we get compensated so good for what we do, because the millions of dollars that's not needed for marketing and advertising is going to us for income, right? So this is just a very basic understanding of what we do here. I mean, we could go more in depth if you're interested, but I just wanted to give you the basics, kind of what Nove is, how we work, and to show you some of what's possible and how you can get compensated by helping people from home. All right. Now, if you're interested in getting started, reach back out to me. That way we could talk about the different paths, the different options as far as you getting started. But I wanted you to see what we do. That way you have a good understanding, and then we can move forward from there. If you got any questions, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text. Doesn't matter. We can talk from there. I appreciate you checking this out. Let me know what's your thoughts. Talk to you soon. Be blessed.